back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Mike, and you can see my little two furry hair babies here, Ginger and Teddy. And today, guys, as you can see here, this is just white meat, firm chicken.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna be making it in the air fryer. What I did with these, they came with the bones. So the bones, what I did, I made it into. I just want to show you so you guys can see. I made me some soup with the bones from the white chicken meat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I separated it, and as you can see, I left it. You see, it has the skin and everything. So what I'm gonna do with some paper towels before I season it, because I want to marinate it, put it in the fridge. You gotta make sure that your chicken is very dry. We're not frying this. We're gonna air fry it. Okay,
That's
guys?
right.
So this is what I did. Michael, you wanna come around and show? You have to. Okay. Extra virgin olive oil. I made kind of like a rub sauce.
Check.
And I put like 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 of salt, 1 of black pepper, 2 of smoked paprika, because it's we're gonna air fry it, so I want it to taste good. I even threw in a teaspoon of ground mustard, just the powder. Then I also put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I only had this one. I didn't have the dark, but if you have the dark, you want to go with the dark. And I always put a little squirt of ketchup. I'm talking about like 4 tablespoons, okay? So what I did, this is my mix. I tasted it also. It tastes fantastic. So every time you make a rub, so like I said, there's olive oil in there and all my seasonings that you see here. This is the chicken. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on top.
Oh yeah.
Like this.
Marinate.
And I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, guys?
For a few hours.
For a couple of hours, so it can, you know, you want all that. Now before, I did wash my hands, okay, guys? I don't want to get them wet again. So what I'm gonna do with my hand.
I'm a witness. She did wash her hands.
Huh?
She did wash her hands. I'm a witness.
Okay, look. So I'm just gonna go like this, see?
That's right.
And make sure
Move it around good.
that's in the bottom. I know, but you see the skin?
Yeah.
Because that skin, when I put it in, I want that skin to be nice.
It's gonna crispify.
And crispy, exactly.
Is that a
So
word?
You see, I put it in, but I'm opening it, you see?
That's right.
So what I'm gonna do, guys, let me rinse off my hands. I'm gonna lick my finger a little bit. Oh, so good. You don't even want to know. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge, guys. And then in 2 hours, we're gonna take that out. And you see my air fryer over there? That air fryer, we're gonna put it over there, and we're gonna make that together, you guys and us. But when my food is done, I'm gonna eat my chicken right in front of you guys, because I do eat a lot, but not all at once. Little bits of this. Let me see, I'm making that soup right now from the bones from my white chicken. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge, guys. Okay. And in 2 hours, we're gonna be back, and then we're gonna air fry that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you wanna make a copycat of that chicken that we're gonna make in my air fryer. So I'll see you in a couple of hours, okay, guys? Again, don't forget to subscribe. Here we are. Here's my air fryer, and this is our chicken, guys, that we seasoned before and put in the fridge. And it was in there for a couple of hours, I believe, right, Mike?
That's right.
So what we're gonna put 2 pieces of them. I can't put any more than 2 because it actually is not gonna take, you know. So here we are with our skin like that. So we're gonna get
Skin side up.
Yeah, side up, of course. Skin side up. And here's another piece, guys. Here we go. This is the other part, huh? So these 2 pieces here, real pretty. And then these 2, I'm gonna close it and put it in the fridge because I gotta wait for these 2 to be done. So there you are, and we're gonna put it, remember what I taught you guys? The chicken is this one, right, Michael?
That's right.
So you press, right?
Yes.
You press start.
Yes.
Start, chicken, and start.
Well, 400 is a little bit too.
Well, Michael thinks it's a little bit too hot, so the temperature where do you want to put it, Michael? 350?
Yeah.
So let's leave it on 350 for the 20 minutes that we have?
Yes.
Yeah, because that way, 15 minutes. 15 minutes?
Yeah, so we can check it.
Okay, and in 15 minutes we'll check it, and we'll move it around, and then we put another like 10, 15, depending on what it is. And that's all we gotta do, guys. So we season the chicken, we put it in the fridge, you know what I'm saying, marinate it for a couple of hours, so all the juices, and like you see here, you see all that seasoning that I put that has brown sugar, that has salt, that has pepper, that has garlic, right?
That's right.
I mean, we put a little bit of olive oil in there to mix it up really good. I put even paprika. We put a little bit of paprika in there. And we also put the yellow thing. What is it called? I got it right here. We got turmeric. We even put a little bit of turmeric in there and mustard powder. So that's all we put in. We put it in there, and when it comes out, we're gonna have a great dinner tonight, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys will enjoy this just like we are. So we'll be back in 15 minutes to turn it around. This is what they came out like.
Wow.
This one it will be for my husband. So I don't want any, Michael, but this, look how nice they look. I just want to cut a little bit like along like that, so people can see. I'm gonna put it in another plate, the other one, so people can see how juicy. Look at that. Look, you can see the juice coming out. You see it?
Oh yeah.
See how juicy they came out like that. Let me get a knife. There we go. Oh, all right. Excuse me, my cololos. Oh, you want to take a picture? Go ahead. Go on, my son. Oh, right here. Go ahead. Take that picture. Go on right there. That's beautiful. You got it? Yeah, he did. Okay.
Yep.
So what I'm gonna do this, okay? I just want people to see.
Look at that.
Look how juicy.
Fully cooked.
Look, fully cooked, of course. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna just.
Let me get that piece.
What do you think? Good, right? Very good looking and nice. And every time I put something in my mouth, guys, it's like I'm burning because it's hot. And when you take something hot out of the oven, out of the stove, like right after it's done, or right out of the air fryer, it's really, really hot. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Look how pretty it looks there. You
Very
can see
good.
it for yourself. And this is the other one also, okay? So you can go ahead and try it in your house. And these are our chicken breasts made in the air fryer. They're delicious, very nice, very tender, very juicy, very good for you. So with that, I'll let you guys go. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Pinterest. And if you want to donate $1, don't forget to go down below to patreon.com and just donate that $1. Okay, so our channel can get bigger, we can get more stuff, and we can use it for more things for all of us to learn together. So take care of yourself, don't drink and drive, love you all, and have a great day. Today is Tuesday, September 29, 2019. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope your chicken comes out as good as mine, okay? So, okay. Have a good night, everyone. Love you all.